Using the Kanban Project Management method. Kanban is currently used across most industries and departments. By applying this method to project management, workflows become clear and transparent. Every team member can see who operates on a specific task, what is being operated on, due dates, and so on. As a result, the teams can focus on the right tasks for any given period. At a high level, Kanban projects must follow these principles. Envisioning the workflow, limit your tasks in the work in progress section, manage and improve your flow frequently, and make workflow tasks specific. Next, I'm going to use Notion, a project management software, to show you how to use a Kanban board. Other platforms will have these capabilities as well. Here you can see my personal Kanban board with 3 specific sections laid out. My not started or to-do list, my in-progress list, and finished tasks. It's easy to filter the board exactly how you want. Here you can see it's filtered for my own tasks, due on or after today, with the due dates ascending, so the higher priority tasks are at the top. Here's the video I'm working on right now. I'll move it into the in progress section to keep my team updated. Team members have the ability to see what is being worked on and more on that task when you click into it specifically. You can see that my tasks are specific, you can clearly tell what is being worked on, and my in-progress list is minimal, all important principles of Kanban management. Other than the ease of use, the other advantages include decreased waste of redundant work, improved workflows, and complete visibility throughout cycle times. With this project management method, the team will focus on achieving one actionable task at a time, which in turn will increase the effectiveness of the end outcome and overall productivity of the team. Integrify, making you more productive.